everyone, welcome back to my channel again with December Vlogmas. Today I'm gonna take you to Fenwick with my little sis. Let's check it out what's there in store for Christmas. They do have this lovely giant Christmas tree with red decor. At first we went to White Company and they do have gorgeous decor for Christmas. And they smell so delicious. I love the candles, the mist, room spray and everything. They do have cashmere socks and slippers. I'm so surprised that Fenwick do have designer Chanel bag, which surprised me. Seems like they have classic old style Chanel bags, and the price are ridiculous comparing, though it is pre-loved items. They do have Louis Vuitton and Gucci old style pre-loved bags. I just love this beautiful Vivienne Westwood crossbody bag with huge logo on it. And there are some other crossbody small bags. They have a Moschino bag and some wallets with new designs, and I love them. There are a variety of many designer bags and high street bags. We do love this cute Tommy Hilfiger wallet and chain small bag. How gorgeous is this Ralph Lauren autumn crossbody bag with beautiful clasp to open the bag. Cute. Next up, we went to makeup boutiques. Chanel does have beautiful packaging on the boxes. They do have new number 5 lipstick. And how gorgeous is this Dior liquid lipsticks, which is new, and I'm absolutely loving it. You can see the close-up view. The fragrance smells so heavenly. They do have new perfume. Molten Brown has gorgeous body wash. They smell heavenly. I do love the packaging and the golden flakes. Next up, we went to Men ready to wear. They do have winter jackets and coats. Hope you enjoy my video throughout the end, and make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel if you love such kind of videos. I have huge Dior unboxing at the end of the video, so make sure you see the video throughout the end. We went twice to Fenwick, so we have like many footages. They do have gorgeous homeware, luxurious couch, and some beautiful mirror designer homeware. I absolutely love them. Next up, we went to women wear, Zara. in River Island. They do have huge oversized coats, and I do love this Prada inspired crossbody bag from River Island. I don't know why, but I'm loving nowadays this lilac color. It calls me spring summer vibes. They're gorgeous loungewear. Here's our little sis trying their cardigan with monogram prints from River Island. And other accessories. They do have this cute boots, which is so luxurious and makes cozy in this winter time. Best for the autumn. They have lots of other boots. And I do love these slippers, which makes me feel cozy whenever I see them. They do have winter scarves and this Fendi inspired scarf. And lastly, how gorgeous is this crossbody bag inspired from Prada with diamond. We were so hungry that we went next stop to eat some delicious foods in Chom Chom in Canterbury. It's a buffet, and that's what I bought, and the foods were so delicious. We enjoyed all the foods, and lastly the desserts. And we enjoyed our first day vlogmas.
Is it takeaway?
Yeah. We were so
for whom? This is yours. This is mine.
happy with the foods that we took takeaway.
Oh, you love your brother so much.
And it's the next weekend. Again, we went to Fenwick. It's part 2 video with lots of women wear in H&M. I do love this jacket, oversized jacket, which makes me feel so nice and cozy. I do love this color in autumn. I do love this electrifying purple colored cardigan from Zara, which screams summer so much. And next up, we both tried, and then me and my sister tried this beautiful oversized short, and we do love them, the color and design. You won't believe me that River Island has Dior inspired Lady Dior handbag, which seems so gorgeous. It's me trying on the bag. Next up, we went to menswear from River Island. I do love this jogger and jumper. How cute is this gloves from River Island? We were so tired by the end of the day, so that's all for shopping. How gorgeous is this Christmas decor? And then we headed to our home with these beautiful festive lights. And surprise, our boss has this gorgeous, cute Christmas decor, which makes me feel happy even when I'm tired. Next, we went to eat something delicious. and it was raining, so we had some momo soup and heavy meals. And finally, we were success with our shopping. Next, it's now unboxing time. If you like to know what I bought from Dior and Fenwick, keep watching. I don't want to get spoiled, but I bought this beautiful Main Sauvage perfume from Dior, as Christmas is coming and I would like to gift it to my friend. And guess what? I bought this beautiful liquid lipstick from Dior. I bought this beautiful brown nude shade in number 200 and another pink version. I got some gift with purchases and some sample gifts, some fragrance samples, Dior Glow mascara, Dior Addict lip gloss as gifts with purchase samples, Sauvage free sample, and the most awaiting gifts with purchase that I was absolutely loving and extremely waiting for was this beautiful vanity case. See how gorgeous is this vanity bag? It's round with silver hardware chain and it's roomy. I can fit my phone inside this vanity case and use it as a purse. There's mirror inside so I can fix my makeup when I travel somewhere, and it's not heavy either. Next, I have this huge Dior unboxing coming soon. If you want to see me unboxing, make sure you watch my next London VLOGMAS, where I'll be posting my unboxing video as well. So let's enjoy me unboxing my Dior first unboxing, and the second unboxing will be up soon, maybe next weekend. Next, I have unboxing of the White Company. I bought this beautiful gift set from White Company, which includes home diffuser, home spray, and beautiful mini candle. I think it's worth it because it's 3-in-1 and it cost me about £32, so which is quite good and affordable. The packaging seems cute. Next, I would like to talk about Dior exclusive beauty program. When you sign up into the account, after reaching certain levels from pearl to silver to gold to platinum, you will get the gifts, and mine was silver status, so I got my first gift, and I'm not fond of my first silver gift as it's not worth it, but if you reach the higher levels, you'll get other precious gifts, and you won't believe the gold status got me to this beautiful gift. It's beautiful water bottle and serum lotion, which is quite worth it, and I do love this gold gifts as a loyalty member, and if you retire later you will get more. And that's all for today now, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next video, London Vlogmas with Rouge Dior unboxing. See you in my next video. Bye. Take care.